Meaning of ecoterrorism.
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 Ecoterrorism. Ecoterrorism refers to acts of violence or sabotage committed in the name of environmentalism or animal rights. These actions are carried out by individuals or groups who believe that traditional methods of activism are not sufficient to bring about the changes they seek. The results of ecoterrorism can include damage to property, injury or death to human beings or animals, and disruption of economic activities. The use of violence in pursuit of environmental goals is generally condemned by mainstream environmental groups as counterproductive and harmful to the cause of conservation.